Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
Get ready to travel in true luxury with the 2026 Durango Gold 384 SQ. This full-profile fifth wheel delivers high-end styling. You've got dual-power awnings with LED lighting, solid entry steps, and frameless windows for that sleek, modern look. Built on a heavy-duty frame with superior insulation, this unit is designed for extended stays and all-season comfort. Plus, backup camera prep and premium suspension make towing smoother than ever. This is residential living on the road. Step inside and you're greeted with wide open space, luxury finishes, and a true residential feel from front to back. Oversized residential refrigerator with plenty of room for long trips. Convenient, high-mounted microwave for quick and easy meals. For burner stove and large oven, perfect for cooking just like at home. Solid surface island with a deep stainless sink and pull-down sprayer. Built-in dishwasher makes cleanup effortless on extended stays. Freestanding dinette with chairs, great for meals, work, or game night. Plush, residential style seating with plenty of room to relax or entertain guests. Large entertainment center with a big screen TV. And electric fireplace for added comfort and ambience. Step into a spacious bathroom featuring a large residential shower with glass doors. A solid surface vanity. Tons of storage and a nice toilet. Bright lighting and premium finishes make it feel just like home. Dedicated washer and dryer setup gives you true full-time living convenience. No more laundromats, just toss in a load and keep enjoying your trip. Finish the day in a private master suite with a king-size bed, massive wardrobe storage, and a second TV hookup. Comfort, space, and luxury all come together right here.